an iconic piece from Coldwater Creek. It's a no iron short sleeve shirt. It's basically like a miracle. No iron, it's stain repellent, and it's got a stand-up collar that stands up on its own so you can get that crisp popped collar look. It's 100% cotton, and the sizes are 4 through 24. Let's go through colors. This is called Zinnia. It's a bright coral. I don't know if your screen is making it look really red and saturated. It is much more like a salmon, a bright salmon and a bright coral. Here is navy multi, 120 in navy multi, but it's this beautiful print. Oh, we saw a very similar print earlier in the dress. Here is the white, okay, 120 remaining in white. What a fantastic way to rock such a classic, a white crisp button-up shirt, and this one doesn't wrinkle. And the other color that we have is white multi, only 100 to go around. It's the most limited, and it's got those beautiful like soft colors in that print. $37.99 is the clearance price. It's a 45% off savings. And when I tell you all the things that this shirt does, I will get to that in a moment. We'll do a deep dive, but first I want to make sure you're getting your correct sizes. The sizes go from 4 to 24. This is not a QVC fit, so take your measurements, or if you know your measurements, even better, just go to QVC.com, take a look at this size chart, and then don't worry too much if you need to do an exchange. We do free exchanges for sizes and colors. So when I first learned about the no wrinkle shirt, first of all, everybody online is saying how much they love this and how they've got it in so many colors because it is just such an iconic piece, such a classic. But for something to not wrinkle, meaning no ironing needed, and it's stain resistant, and it's 100% cotton. So to me, that was okay, what is their secret? How does something that feels soft, it's 100% cotton, how does that work? How do you not need to iron it, and how does it repel stains? Well, they have a proprietary treatment that is applied at the fabric level. So they have that treatment, but you wouldn't know it by feeling this. It feels like a crisp white button-up. So it feels totally normal, but you're not gonna have to get out that ironing board, or even worse, you're not gonna have to show up to where you're going looking like a hot mess with wrinkles everywhere. It's always gonna give you that classic, crisp, sophisticated, elegant look. And it comes in the prints and the multi. So right here we're looking at the navy multi. This is the white. Here is Zinnia, a bright coral. And on QVC.com, we're limited, but this is the beautiful white multi, also most popular. 80 remain, and it's got the beautiful pastel flowers. You see the sage and the pink and the light blue. The navy multi is also going quickly as well because spring is in the air, I think, I hope. I hope. I mean, it's snowing here in Pennsylvania today, but spring is around the corner, and this is gonna be that gorgeous print, that floral, that beautiful print with those subtle pops of colors here. We have the shades of green, the light sage, yellow, blues, pinks, corals. Really, really pretty. This is definitely giving mountain wildflower, which is where Coldwater Creek gets their inspirations for a lot of their prints. They are a American Mountain West inspired brand. All their pieces are really just classics that are gonna last. It's all about the quality and the craftsmanship, the details and the comfort, and this is no exception. This actually, the technology in this shirt is fantastic. The proprietary treatment makes it so that it doesn't wrinkle, and it's stain resistant. And the collars are gonna stand up on their own. Do I have time to throw one on? All right, well, let me see if I can get one of these on for you real quick to just show you how crisp it's gonna look. So again, that's the clearance price is $37.99, a 45% off savings. The no iron short sleeve shirt comes in prints, it comes in solids. Oh, I got it on. I don't know if we'll show it in a second. I'm gonna pop my collar. So you can shop the whole show backwards on QVC.com. Go to items recently on air, go to QVC2, and you'll see everything we sold for the day. I had so much fun with you, just me and you and no guests. See, looks, oh my gosh, this collar is just standing up on its own. Fantastic, I love it. We'll be back with Susan Graver Style. I'm Avisha Scarborough. Thank you so much. Please stick around with me.